Hey guys, good day and welcome to today's analysis. Alright, so we'll be starting up with the pound dollar, and of course, before we go to the technical aspects, we'll go to the fundamentals. If you expect any major fundamentals uh, on the United States dollars today. Alright, so the only first today is Thursday, 29th of January. So the only fundamental we're expecting, which is the major one, is from the United States. It's happening by 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time, which is the unemployment claims based on what fundamental, based on what Forex Factory asked for us here. But remember, I've always said it that always put a close eye on the pound, the United States currency, because there's a loss of, let me use the word negative in quotes, negative news coming up from the United States, so which might definitely affect the currency, making it to go bearish. I know when the United States is going bearish, that makes BTCUSD start moving bullish, gold moves bullish, and pound dollar moves bullish, and every other currency having the United States as their post currency moving bullish and base currency going bearish. And since my major pairs are pound dollar, BTCUSD, and gold, that means I'm expecting bullish trades. All right, so going to the technical aspect of it. So here's my pound dollar, my structures. Here is a low that happened yesterday where the market was not able to break below it. So let's extend it a little, then marking the highs. Good. Now going to the 2 minute charts. I'm only looking for only buy trades. So since I'm looking for only buy trades, that means I'm expecting the market to actually give me buy setups. So that means what I'm looking at is to see the market breaking above this, testing this for me to go long on that. So this is the only trade I'll be looking out to take today for the market to actually go long and then retest it for me to go long. So that's the only trade. I'm not looking for very setup, just this. If this does not happen, then I stay out of pound dollar for today. So that's for pound dollar. So go to the next one, BTCUSD. All right, on BTCUSD, yesterday was not really didn't really go you actually planned it. Why? Because we actually took a buy trade of the market actually moved in our profit, got our first take profit, then I moved my stop loss to my break even, then expected the market to break above this and continue moving. I think I took the trade somewhere around this level. Let me just mark the internal structure of the scalping. Maybe I told you first that on the scalping this is where until the market break above this level. Okay, let me go to each for so you can see a better chart. I said until the market goes above this level, that's the only time for good bullish trend. So long as I stay in this trade, I'm expecting just tapping to this next zone. So then when that happened yesterday, of which I dropped an alert on that, I think after breaking up this, then I took a buy trade. My stop loss was around this level. Then I got my first take profit, which was the here this level. I told you that that's my target. So I moved the stop loss from there, hoping it gets above this. So I put my stop loss, I think, somewhere around this level. Then hopefully the market was to continue moving, but then that did not happen. You can see it came back and stopped me out on my break even. I didn't really lose any fee on it. You could actually enter somewhere around there, and then I think it's some profit. Yeah, I think there's some profit on that, but it was actually very very small. But no problem though. So today, what are we expecting? Still very bullish. I'm actually still bullish on BTCUSD. I know since I'm bullish, and it already given this first test on this. So there's high level that is definitely might still want to retest this again. Then retesting it for me to go bullish. Otherwise, I want to see what is going on this level. If I can see nice momentum, then it's going to be another scalping strategy for me to go short on them. Maybe testing it, I go long. Sorry, I go long to this level. So when I see the market breaking above this level, then give me signs to retest, then I go long to this level. Remember on the scalping bed, my major entry is for it to break above it. That is when I'll be going long, and I will trade the what they call the take profit open for as long as the day is still running. That's it for BTUSD. So go to the final one, which is going to be XAUUSD or gold. Gold has to be bullish. I actually wake up with a lot of profit once again on gold. I don't know, gold has been very favorable, moving so very, very bullish in my direction. I remember I told you I've always been bullish on gold, on BTUSD, and pound dollars. So all my pending orders are all activated, and gold just gave me nice profits. Anyway, that's that for gold. So let's just see today. Since already very bullish, we're just looking for bullish setups on our time frame, waiting for a break or previous resistance to give us. Okay, now looking at this already, but let me use this. Let me just use this to mark out. All right, so let me just use to mark. So if we can actually get a breakout from this zone, we get a breakout from this zone, we're testing it. Let me delete that. It really looking ugly. You cannot see a breakout from it, retesting it, then for me to go long. If I'm going long, my stop loss is going to be below this level. That's my stop loss going to be. So let's wait for us to get a major spike breakout out of this that going long, and my stop loss is going to be below this pendant, this ranging movement, and probably around this level. Alright, so that brings me to the end of the analysis with my three pairs on Forex market. I remember, in case you want to use my broker, I can check the description. I will leave a link there to my broker for you to open an account with them. And with the minimum deposit of just $5, I can open even go trade with less than, I think, less than $4 with go trade. Less than $4 or $5. Yes, I think gold is actually a bit volatile, so I think you really like $5 or even 6 $5 to open gold. But I think BTCUSD you need less than $2 to open BTCUSD. On pound dollar, I think that one is even less than $1 for you to open that. So that said, you can actually check the description. I'm leaving a link to my broker for you to get an account with them. That's it. I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. So please just do as I usually say. Ensure you stay safe, trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.